Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner.
Guys, do you want to know how to install Python and how to run Python program using Python ideally? So in this video, I will be showing you everything about installation and running Python program using Python ideally. So guys, let's start the video. You can open any of your browser and simply search for Python download. And herein guys, you can see the official website of Python, python.org. You need to simply click on this link. It will redirect you to downloads page, and here you can see we have different downloads available. We have downloads for Windows, download for Android, Mac, and so on. So for installing on Windows, I'm going to simply click on this link, get Python installer, and you can see the download has been done. Now to start the installation, I'm going to click on this exe, and here guys, it's showing me two options: install now and customize installation. I'm going to select customize installation, but before that I'm going to check mark this two option: use admin privilege and add python.exe to Python. Okay, and then click on this customize installation button. And now here guys, it's showing optional features. So these are the things which will be installed along with Python: documentation, pip, and other thing. So just keep default and click on next button. And now guys, here it's showing me advanced option. So you need to check mark on the first option, and here is the installation location. If you wish to change, click on browse button and change it. I'm keeping the default and clicking on install button. So guys, it will ask you permission. You need to simply click on yes button. Now the installation has been started. It will take a while. And guys, here my installation is done. Now I will show you how to run Python program using this Python IDE. Here it is showing me setup was successful. I'm simply closing this. So first of all guys, I'm just opening command prompt. So there are different ways of running a Python program. I will be showing you how to run using command prompt and how to run using Python IDE. So in search, I have simply typed cmd and my command prompt started, and here I am typing Python space hyphen hyphen version to show you the version of Python which I have installed, and pip is also working. I'm just showing you that pip is also working. Pip, using pip you can install packages or library. Now to run any program, I'm just typing Python, so it is taking me to Python shell. Now here you can type any command, so I'm simply typing one print statement. So I've just completed this and hitting enter, so you can see I'm getting output. So this confirms that my Python is working successfully. Now let me close this command prompt and show you other method. So in Windows search, you simply type IDLE, and here you can see Python IDLE. It is showing. Just start it, and now whatever command you want to run, you can type here in shell. But if you close this IDLE, this program will not be there. So generally, we don't follow this. Just I'm showing you one print statement. So what we will be doing, we will be creating one simple program. So go to file menu, new file option, and write your code. Whatever code you want to write, write. So I'm again simply writing one print statement. So now after writing, save the file. So go to file menu and save as, and then you need to browse your directory wherever you want to save. So I'm just taking desktop and one of my folder, and here I'm giving name to my file as hello. If you don't provide any extension, by default it will take .py. Otherwise you can write hello.py, and then simply I'm clicking on save button. Okay, so my program is saved. Now next part is how to run this program. So for running, you need to select this run menu, and here we have option run module, or you can simply hit the key F5. So now I'm just taking run menu and run module. And guys, you can see we are getting output on shell. If you want to change your program, you can go change whatever code you want to write, and again save Control S or go to file menu and select option save, and again hit F5 or go to run module. You can see I'm getting output here again. So guys, this way you can install Python and you can run Python program using it. I hope guys, by following my video, you are able to do that. So guys, if my video has really helped you, don't forget to hit on like button and share my video with your friend. If you have any query, any doubt, you can put in comment box or you can contact me on my IG also. I've given all my social media link in description box. Certainly you can visit that. I have my website. Tutorials are free on my website. You can visit my website also. I have another channel, Code with Sunita in Hindi. There I teach coding in Hindi. If you are interested in Hindi, you can subscribe to that channel. And guys, if you are new to this channel, there is a red color subscribe button. You don't have to pay anything for you. Just hit that subscribe button because it motivates me for creating another video. And don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.